Super Bowl party in a hurry? No time? No problem. Here's your ultimate last-minute game plan to throw a killer party fast. Listen up. Here's a quick game plan. First things first, let's keep it simple. You don't need a 5-star spread. So skip the fancy stuff for another holiday. This time it is straight up fun. All you need are great snacks, cold drinks, and a fun vibe. Step 1. Hit the grocery store fast. Step 2. Grab quick snacks and ready-to-go foods. Step 3. Make it simple enough you can set it up in just minutes before the game and enjoy the game. Pick foods that are easy to set up and serve. Forget hours in the kitchen. It is not needed here. Grab the following list of quick bites and you're set. First off, we want wings, pre-cooked or frozen. Mostly get heat and serve foods that are already cooked, saves time. Frozen fish sticks make great finger food. Have cocktail sauce on the side. Slider burgers are great for parties. You can get these pre-made and frozen. Guacamole and salsa are a must-have. Try a baked potato bar. Potatoes only take 5 minutes in the microwave. Provide all the trimmings. BBQ sauced meatballs, keep them warm in a crock pot. Mini frozen pizzas. Bake and slice for easy sharing. Mozzarella sticks, cheesy goodness. Everybody loves popcorn. The smell of popcorn is so mouth-watering, perfect for game time. Don't forget the melted butter. Pop the popcorn during the game. Get that big screen feel. The yummy smell of popcorn gets your taste buds dancing. Pigs in a blanket, an old-time favorite. Crescent rolls plus cocktail weenies. Only takes 15 minutes of bake time. Nachos, tortilla chips, pre-shredded cheese, canned toppings. It is always a crowd pleaser. Canned chili plus shredded cheese and chips are always an instant crowd pleaser. Keep warm on the serving table with a crock pot. Veggie tray with ranch dressing. To save time, purchase pre-cut veggies and bottled dressing. Try to get as many foods where no cooking is required. This is a biggie. Don't go to the store without your list. Make your shopping list so that everything you need is all in one store. Don't forget the drinks. Soda, get a few flavors. This way everyone is covered. Beer. Seems like many are picky about the beer they drink. Make it so that guests bring their own beer since you are providing the food. It's a win-win. Bottled water. Don't forget the ice purchased in bags for convenience. An ice chest to hold drinks and ice. To make things even easier, try these party food hacks. Crock-pot trick. Keep chili or meatballs warm without effort. Oven hack. Bake all frozen foods at the same time if possible. This will help to save even more time. Check package instructions. Set up a food bar where everyone can serve themselves. It's easy to maintain and easy cleanup. This works great for taco, nacho, and potato bars. Use frozen water bottles instead of ice cubes. Now that you have everything home, now put it together a couple of hours before the game. Enlist help if you need it. Many guests are willing to help. And that's it! A Super Bowl party in record time. Now let's watch football. For more food tips, check out my other videos. Like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Bye for now. See you in the next video.